Hey there, Beehiiv team. I am Harshad Vadiparthi. I'm currently applying for the solutions engineer role, and I have created around 10 demo videos that demonstrate my technical ability and my communication skills to you guys. I wanted to take a hands-on approach and share this with you and how I can seamlessly fit in the sales process, pre-sales or even post-sales with your help. And as a solutions engineer, I'm super confident that I can definitely help out in C-suite executives and also enterprise grade customers. And as Tyler Denk once said, if you have to choose between the most experienced educated person or the person who wants it the most, you always pick the one who wants it the most. And I assure you, I want it the most. I went and read through the whole Big Desk Energy newsletter where you actually mentioned about Priya, who became a product lead by sending you guys a complete Notion document. And I have done the same, sharing with you a complete Notion document about my skill sets. And this video is also like proof of work. So I'm telling you, please do take me as a solutions engineer at Beehiiv because I have my own Beehiiv newsletter. I help my friend build my own newsletter. I also invested in the community round and I have skin in the game. I'm also a creator with a nice setup, so I do have experience in this. So take me in, guys, as a solutions engineer.